It's cold. And we are getting a little break in the snow right now, just a few flurries dropping. We did spend the day driving around Middleton, talking to residents and getting some video of them digging out of the snow. Here's some video of that. All this morning, Middleton residents using a break in the snow to start digging out, using shovels and snow blowers to try and create a clear path on their driveways in case they have to get out. It's been a while since we've had a major snowstorm like this, but people here in Middleton were ready for it. Big snowfall
In a long time, you know. We go north skiing a lot, so we're kind of not used to this, but we're used to a lot of snow. But for 5 years, I don't think we've had any snow. This has been like the first really big one.
You still know what you're doing out here?
I don't know. I wish I had a plow instead of a snowblower, but yeah, I remember. It's not too bad, yeah.
Pajamas? What's going on? Slippers? And some other people who didn't think the conditions were, quote, too bad. These high schoolers we met, one of them was out braving the conditions in shorts and the other in sandals.